Good morning! Today is Sunday and I haven't gone home in the province. Samahan niyo akong maglakad-lakad, magsimba at maggrocery. I'm here riding the jeepney going to SM Makati. I will attend Mass in the Feast Makati. Ang Mass ay ginagawa sa isa sa mga cinema sa Glorietta 4 tuwing ika-10:30 ng umaga every Sunday. Also, after the Catholic Mass, merong worship and talk. I'm done attending Mass. Now I'm hungry at gusto kong kumain ng Mr. Kimbap, bibimbap. Hindi ko kasi ito ma-order sa Foodpanda or Grab. Here it is. Hinalo-halo ko na nga at nagpapanggap na marunong gumamit ng chopsticks. Kung magpupunta kayo dito sa Glorietta, you can also take a walk going to Greenbelt, where you can mostly find luxury brands. But if you choose na tumambay lang, okay din dito kasi madaming puno if medyo gusto nyo ng nature ambience. There's also another church here where you can also attend the Mass every Sunday. Ang alam ko, sunod-sunod ang schedule ng misa dito. Medyo nakakaligaw nga lang dito sa Greenbelt. Now, I'm here in the grocery, mamimili ng kaunting fruits and bread. Since I was staying at the dorm, I felt too lazy to cook. We have free meals naman during working hours, and bumibili na lang din ako ng mga lutong ulam na. Done with grocery and here walking to Ayala kung saan nga nandoon ang new terminal ng mga jeep and buses. Running errands, dining alone, knowing to use public transportation, and enjoying moments of solitude are empowering ways to thrive in any province or country, be it in the Philippines or overseas. weekend in the city was over, and that's how I spent it solo. Don't be scared to walk alone. Don't be scared to like it. Thank you for watching.